little pickup truck and those little things up there, the kayaks. Are you excited though?
Yeah.
They gave us a really good price. Yeah, so it's just a little truck. Welcome back to our channel. Today we rented a truck for the low, because like I've heard about cars out here being like $2,000 to rent, and then so we got to like, because I already had reserved kayaks for today, but I thought that it was gonna be closer to the beach, and it wasn't. It's actually like a 30-minute walk if we were to walk. Yeah, straight. What was I saying? I forgot. Oh my god. And then so she was like, I told her that we're by foot, and she was like,
You guys are by foot?
she was like, you're by foot? I was like, yeah. Yeah, why? She's like, you need a car. I was like,
I didn't know the kayak was gonna be big. I thought it was gonna be like a
I thought that it was gonna be close by the beach, so I thought we're just gonna walk it over there. Because usually they have rentals by the beach, on the beach, you know what I mean? I just didn't pay attention to where it was at, I guess. And then she went to go talk to her, I don't know what he is, some guy, another worker. And then they rented us this truck. $25. I was like, there's no way. And I was like,
I thought she was gonna say like 2,500 or something. I was about to say like,
I was ready for her to be like, oh, it's gonna be like 200 at least, or you know, because out here it's a lot to rent a car.
Yeah, I mean,
but we have like the kayak up there. You guys can see it's up there.
Yeah.
We're gonna.
Turtles.
And then she said that we can go to like another, like they have like little flat islands that we can go there. We just can't land there right now.
Cause I guess what was it?
I don't know. And then the beach I really want to go to, Lanikai, is closed right now, and it's only for people who live on the beach, huh?
No, she said you can't park if you don't know people. I mean, if you know people there, you can't park.
Yeah.
Because I guess they're constructing something there.
I don't know. Something about the pavement.
Yeah.
I don't know. But and then I've always heard of that beach, and she even said that it's voted like the best beach in the country. So I was like, how are we not gonna go there? Like, we're in Hawaii and we're not gonna go to Lanikai. And then but she said that we can on the kayak we can paddle there. I was like, okay, I'm excited.
That's scary, but
yeah. And then this door doesn't close all the way. The truck isn't all that, you know, but I mean, $25. Our Uber here costed $45 just to Uber here. I was like, there's no way that this is happening. So I'm really grateful for that.
So we have to plan to come to Hawaii, come to this place.
I forgot what it's called. Oh, it's called Two Goods Kayak. That's what it's called. Two Good Kayaks. And they're really nice, huh? The guy, as soon as we walked in, he was like, you guys look like you guys are trying to have some fun.
Yeah, real quick.
I was like, yes.
And then yesterday people were jumping off the pier. They said no jumping, you ain't gonna do it.
Oh my god, it's like gonna break the window. Shoot. So we're out here. We started out there, and we're heading to that island over there. He's complaining about his back hurting. But look, there's like other little islands that we can go to. I want to go that way, babe. That's where Monica is. Don't worry, guys. I'm hoping to. Don't worry, I got us, babe. Where are the turtles at? The guy said there's gonna be turtles. I don't see nothing. Imagine a big ass shark comes. You're gonna what? You're gonna fight the shark? and he has his mask on in the middle of the ocean. Why, babe? He's struggling. He's cramping up. Let me see. Lay down for a bit. Oh shit, we're drifting away. Why? Like, you notice how, like, as soon as we stop, like, pedaling, like, the whole kayak wants to flip over?
Yeah.
That's scary.
Don't stop pedaling.
I've been pedaling this whole time. Yeah, like, lost pedals.
Oh, I fucking hit my elbow.
Wow. It's not as easy as it looks, guys. It's fun though. But it's scary because we're like really far away. We're about to hit this island. And maybe those two. Did you have fun?
Yeah, it's kind of scary.
He was really scared. When he made it to one of the islands, and then we just, oh my god, my eyes are so clogged. Look, my mascara. Oh, it's right here, baby. Look.
Yeah.
Oh, but we have to go that way.
Yeah. Yeah, but help me.
I know. I'll help you right now. But the beach was so beautiful. Like, it was way
so warm.
It was really, really warm, and the sand was like so smooth, and then there's no like rocks or no seashells or none of that. Oh my god, I look so but right now we're gonna go find something to eat. Look, oh my god, like a mess. Look at you, look at you. Do you remember how to do it, babe? Oh, the truck burned me. Yeah. I'm gonna get home hella sunburned. I feel bad because, like, if you could see, his neck is all red because he's like white. That's what sucks about being white, babe. You get all red, then it burns. Me, I just got a sunburn. I just look dark. You got it?
Yeah.
It doesn't need to be tighter?
Yeah.
But this beach was so beautiful. It was like the best beach ever. It's better than the one that we stayed. The one that is by our hotel. Huh, baby?
Yeah, a lot better.
And it's like, it's not as packed as the other one. The other one was like dummy packed. I'm gonna wipe my eyes down right now. But I'm starving. Really. I haven't ate anything. We just ate cereal in the morning. Well, he got food earlier. But he didn't like it. So, and I already knew I wasn't gonna like it. That's why I didn't get anything. And it's weird because around here, a lot of things don't open till 11. And we're trying to get... we had our reservation at 11, so...
Yeah.
I'm just starving. I can't wait to eat. It's delicious. From 1 to 10. The rice is so good. It's like one of the best rices I've ever had. Delicious. Let's dance for them, baby.
For who? For the people of the vlog?
Wait, where are we going, babe? I have no idea. You just said we're going to 7-Eleven and I want to get something to eat.
I don't know if she's gonna be open right now.
They don't close here. We hear fucking music on right now.
Word. Yeah, it's true. Last night I didn't stop playing until like 1 in the morning. That shit was crazy.
I was knocked out.
I was still up.
When we came back from kayaking, all we did was like we came back and
we just laid down. No, we took a shower.
We took a shower.
And we watched the movie.
We watched 2 movies, but we're not done with the second one. So we're gonna get some food.
And some snacks.
And some snacks for tomorrow's plane because we're gonna leave here at 6 in the morning because our flight is at 8 a.m. And we're not getting home till 8 p.m. So it kind of sucks because over here we're 3 hours behind. Yeah. So when we get there, it's gonna be night. It was a plus, like when we're getting here though, because that way, like when we got here, time travel. We it was still morning, so we had like the whole day pretty much. I think that we were like tired.
Really tired.
And I'm tired right now.
It's weird how we pretty much time travels into the past.
Oh god.
Like
Okay.
we time traveled 3 hours behind. Like what the? I'm a freaking scientist.
Okay. And then we have to come back and still pack our stuff.
I don't think we're getting any sleep tonight.
Well, we have a whole plane ride to get to sleep.
We have a whole 8 hours theoretically speaking. Oh, babe.
Oh no, I don't have it.
I have the other, but I'm not sure it's in my wallet. Probably is. I don't want to risk it.
And then I really fucked up my phone.
Yeah, that just don't even turn on.
It won't turn on.
And if it does, it'd be a miracle.
It doesn't turn on. I'm gonna go phoneless back to California. So sad. Hey, elevators.
Look, it says, please, Kokua. Kokua.
I don't think you're
Goku.
saying it right.
Rokugas.
He tries to speak every language. He even speaks cat, dog. No, he makes the best dog impression ever. I don't know what you're doing last time at your house.
What are they doing? Oh, I was barking at a dog. Next door. I was barking at a dog. I was having a full-on conversation with the dog.
The dog? The only reason why the dog started barking was because he started. I was like, what the hell?
My neck is already getting on me. You see that?
Oh yeah, look at his mouth.
Oh, that hurt.
So red. Babe, go sing with her. Go sing with her. I'm so sad it's our last night here. Oh, the little kid! Look at the little boy! So cute!
You ever forget how much it really means to me?
I'm sad that we're leaving today.
Oh, me too.
It was so beautiful here. So we just came back, and oh, sorry.
Whoa! Too, huh?
We just came back and we got some Thai fried rice along with some pad see ew. Ah! That shit was cold. And I'm gonna try this. It's like their iced tea that's made here. Oh, there, I focused. So I'm gonna try this right now. We also went to McDonald's to get some, what's it called? I got a Slurpee. Or I got, what is it called? I'm thinking it's freaking 7-Eleven. Because today was 7-Eleven. We went to McDonald's to get
that
slushy.
Yeah.
A slushy, he got a smoothie. Oh, we also went to 7-Eleven. They gave me this cute little bag that says Slurpee on it.
Slurp.
Today was 7-Eleven.
I thought it was a Cali thing.
But we're gonna just eat right here, and then probably pack some stuff. That way we don't have to pack tomorrow morning.
Yep.
And then bounce out of here. But it was fun, huh? What'd you think?
I liked it.
It was pretty cool. I think.
It's really nice out here.
Yeah.
It's really pricey.
Yeah. But I think, like, if I were to come again another time, I would probably
go to another island.
Yeah, I would want to go to another island. Like, I don't know which one. The one where they have the Jurassic Park thing seems pretty cool. I think it's on another island. I don't know, but either that or I would stay. I like it here in Honolulu. It's really nice. But
oh, it's Kayaking here. Oh, yeah, the
huh?
island.
I would rather like stay by Lanikai because it's so nice and peaceful. It was like amazing.
Yeah, there's like less crowds over there.
Yeah, it was hard to find parking though.
Yeah, that's true. A lot of people. That beach is so nice.
It's amazing. But it's crazy how like it was like the parking was like packed, like super packed. It was
And,
really
like,
hard.
Yeah, and like there's like nobody on the beach. Like,
Yeah,
right there
I
on the
was
sand.
so confused.
There's
I
like
was
a little bit of people.
There was a little bit of people. It was amazing. But yeah. So this is our Hawaii vlog.
Hawaii adventure.
Our little Hawaii adventures. We didn't vlog that much when we're kayaking because one, I fucked up my phone when I was there. And two, I was like trying to hide my phone from the water, which didn't work.
So, if you want to bring your phone while you're doing kayaking,
Don't do it.
don't do it.
Don't be us. I took my phone in there and it got messed up. But it's all good. But yeah, we're gonna end this vlog here. So,
Peace.
you forgot to say.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Love you.
Bye guys. We're just gonna enjoy
Our food.